When your baby is playing or enjoying time outside, it is very important to keep their skin safe from the sun. Two popular and gentle options are Aveeno Baby Sunscreen and Blue Lizard Baby Sunscreen. Both are safe for babies and protect their skin well, but they have a few small differences. Blue Lizard Baby Mineral Sunscreen is made for babies 6 months and older. For infants under 6 months, doctors usually suggest keeping them out of direct sun instead of using sunscreen. It provides strong and reliable sun protection using zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. These gentle mineral ingredients form a barrier on the skin that reflects harmful UV rays. Dermatologists and pediatricians often recommend this sunscreen because it does not contain harsh chemicals, fragrances, or parabens. This makes it safe and gentle for babies with sensitive or delicate skin. One major advantage is that it is highly water-resistant, lasting up to 80 minutes. This makes it perfect for outdoor play or swimming. However, the sunscreen is fairly thick, so it can be harder to spread evenly. Some parents also find that it does not apply as smoothly as lighter, chemical-based sunscreens. Despite these small drawbacks, Blue Lizard Baby is a trusted option for parents. Aveeno Baby Continuous Protection Sensitive Skin Sunscreen is made especially for babies with delicate or sensitive skin. Its active ingredient is 100% zinc oxide, which offers broad-spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. One of its key advantages is that it has been tested and found safe for babies with eczema or very sensitive skin. The formula is gentle, fragrance-free, and helps soothe irritation. It is an affordable option that is usually well tolerated by most babies. However, it may not be as highly water-resistant as Blue Lizard Baby Sunscreen. So it may need to be reapplied more often if your baby is swimming or sweating. Additionally, while it is generally mild, some parents notice a slight floral scent, which might not appeal to everyone. Overall, Aveeno Baby Sunscreen is an excellent choice for babies, especially those with sensitive or eczema-prone skin. Both Aveeno Baby Sunscreen and Blue Lizard Baby Sunscreen are excellent choices because they are mineral-based and provide broad-spectrum protection. If your baby has eczema or very sensitive skin, Aveeno Baby Sunscreen is the best choice. It is specially made to be gentle and safe for delicate skin. If your baby will be playing in water or sweating, Blue Lizard Baby Sunscreen is the better choice. It is highly water-resistant and provides long-lasting protection.